day, good day, good day, my people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming your way, a lot of good things coming your way. Please do not forget to subscribe below. Also share and like, and of course that bell button that is going to let you know right away as soon as I upload a video, which I will be doing twice a week on Fridays and Sunday. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited about my recipes, and I'm very excited of sharing what my family been eating for years with yours. Thank you. Okay guys, so we are gonna make our red beans today, okay? So let's get started. Here is sofrito. We're gonna be using a small piece of pumpkin, garlic powder, onion powder, I gotta get it, olives. These are beans that I boil from packs. And Sazon, chicken bouillon, tomato sauce, oregano. Okay, this recipe is very simple but very delicious. Okay, so let's get started. So like I said, we're only using a piece of pumpkin. So I'm gonna go ahead literally that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the skin off. You want them to be, I just dropped a piece. You want them to be about that size, guys. Okay? They are pretty much gonna dissolve most of it. And that's it. Also, if you don't want to use pumpkin, you could use potatoes, small pieces of potato cut up. You could replace the pumpkin with potatoes or don't add anything at all, okay? So let's go to the stove. Okay guys, so here on the stove, I have my beans. I'm gonna go ahead at this moment and add a dash of oil, just a little dash. I'm telling you, this is so easy. Dump my pumpkins. Again, like I said, you could use potatoes if you want or skip this step altogether. I'm gonna go ahead and add me some olives. I love some olives. I don't got much left, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump the rest. I'm gonna add 1 envelope of the chicken bouillon, 1 envelope of the Sazon, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and the garlic onion powder you add as much as you want. It doesn't have any salt, so, but remember we're using sofrito as well. And if you don't have the sofrito, you don't know how to make it, look on the link below. I have the recipe below this video. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir this. And I have my fire right now on medium high, and I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook for at least about 15 minutes, and we're gonna come back and see how they doing. it's been about 15 minutes. So now I'm going to check my beans. The pumpkin's starting to dissolve. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more liquid. Just so the pumpkin could dissolve some more. I still have the fire on medium high, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna cover this up and let it cook about another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back and check on it. Okay, so it's been about another 10 minutes. You see, the pumpkin has broken up. There's only a little bit left. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. That's more like tomato sauce and crushed tomatoes. Now, I'm not putting a lot of it because it's not needed, because as you can see with the pumpkin, the broth is pretty thick already. So I'm really adding that for more flavor. And plus, when you cook beans from the bag, like their broth is even more thicker. So that's about it. So it's gonna simmer for another 10 minutes. Okay, then about another 10 minutes. And these beans are pretty much done. Let me go ahead and taste them, because I didn't taste them yet. This is the moment. If you want to add a little bit more seasoning, you can. These are done. Completely done, guys. Look at that broth.